Okay, so we have the contacts page open. This is basically your phone book. You'll save all of your contacts here with their names, their phone numbers, emails, any other information that you've collected from them will populate here. If you get an inbound phone call, it will automatically save them here as well. And if you have automation set up like the ones inside of my workflow, and somebody fills out a form on your website, for example, they will automatically populate here as well. If I were to click on one of these contacts, like Casey Martin, who was a fictional lead, I will be able to see again that the conversations and the contact details are all populating here on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you will see the same types of tabs that are visible from the conversations page as well. If I click on things like bulk actions, you will be able to see any types of tags or automations that have been done in bulk to this person. Here we have the custom fields. This again might be a little bit technical, so don't worry about these types of things. We've got the tasks as well, and then the companies field. Again, in most cases, you will not have to worry about any of that. Most of the time, you'll just be within the smart lists section. And from there, again, if you want to search for a contact, search buttons right here. If I want to look for Jordan, I'm just going to type in Jordan, his name will pop up, and I'll be able to quickly grab his information accordingly. If you want to import an Excel sheet with your contacts from your actual phone or from your QuickBooks or anything like that, just click on the import button. From there, you can just follow the instructions. So you click on contacts, hit next, and then you would upload your Excel sheet in the CSV format there, and then just follow the instructions accordingly. In this case, I'm just going to cancel out of it. And if you want to export them, you just click on those three dots, you can export it here. And if you need to filter anything, you can filter them. So for example, if you want to filter by leads that you have their phone number. So for example, I can just say phone is not empty. I can go ahead and hit apply. All right, in my case, I didn't have a phone number for any of those test leads, and so that disappears. Now, of course, if you want to go back to it, simply click on the filters. You can see it's enabled because there's a 1 and it's blue, and you can just hit that remove button or click clear all filters at the bottom, hit apply again, and everything will come back.